Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Compare. Today, we're taking a quick look at the Redmi Note 15 4G, a budget beast with some seriously impressive specs. Let's jump in. Starting with the design, it's slim at just 7.9 millimeters and weighs under 184 grams. Plus, you get IP64 protection, so light splashes won't be a problem. Up front, there's a big 6.77-inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate and an insane 3200 nits peak brightness, meaning this screen is super smooth and easily visible even under bright sunlight. Performance-wise, it runs on the Helio G100 Ultra chipset with up to 8 gigs of RAM. It's not a gaming monster, but for daily use, social media, and casual gaming, it handles everything smoothly. Now the camera, you get a massive 108-megapixel main sensor. Daylight shots come out sharp and detailed, though low light is just average. The 20-megapixel selfie camera is decent for social media. For audio, you've got stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, but no headphone jack, which might be a downside for some users. Battery is a big highlight. 6,000 milliamps easily lasts a full day and more, with 33-watt fast charging to keep you going. So overall, the Redmi Note 15 4G is perfect if you want a great display, big battery, and solid everyday performance on a budget.